Want to eat well while traveling without breaking the bank? In today's video, I'm sharing my top food-saving hacks for budget travelers. Let's dive in and find out how you can save big on meals while still enjoying delicious local cuisine. First hack, eat like a local. Skip the tourist traps and opt for local street food and markets instead. Not only is street food affordable, but it's also a great way to experience authentic local cuisine. In many places, you can enjoy a full meal for just a few dollars. Next up, shop at local markets and grocery stores. Buying fresh ingredients and cooking your own meals can save you a ton of money. Many hostels and Airbnb rentals offer kitchen access, so take advantage of it. It's a great way to save while still enjoying fresh, healthy meals. If your hotel or hostel offers free breakfast, make the most of it. Many budget accommodations include breakfast in their price, which can help you save on one meal per day. Grab some extra fruit or snacks for the road too. Another great hack, eat your biggest meal at lunch. Many restaurants offer menu of the day specials at lunchtime that are much cheaper than dinner prices. You can enjoy a full, hearty meal for less, leaving you more flexibility for a lighter dinner. Bring snacks and pack your own meals when you're on the go. Carrying snacks like fruit, nuts, or sandwiches can keep you from spending on overpriced snacks in tourist areas. It's also handy if you're taking a day trip or traveling long distances. With these simple food-saving hacks, you can eat well while traveling without stretching your budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite budget meal idea.